Every military operation we have done has failed. Starting from East Pakistan, 3 in Balochistan, this whole operation in the tribal area, 1 in Sindh, 1 in Karachi, everyone failed. The only time a military an operation in Karachi succeeded was when it was done by the police and the intelligence. Because police is with the people. Police knows how to deal with it. Every police, because they are embedded in the public, they are much better equipped. If you strengthen them, they are much better equipped to deal with insurgents. Then, if you send an army in, army is like a bull in a china shop. The amount of human rights abuses caused by the army is simple. If you just understand the makeup of a military man, you will understand they are programmed to fail in civilian areas. Because firstly, they are not taught how to fight civilians, they are taught how to fight armies. Secondly, there is this certain ethos within the army that if a soldier gets killed, the comrades around him will now seek revenge. And who are they going to fight against? Because there's no obvious enemy. So they end up causing so many extrajudicial killings, as is happening in Pakistan today. The army, our own army, against our own people, is involved in extrajudicial killing. And it's exacerbating. It helps the militants. They become more unpopular in your own country.
Keep watching TV 786. देखते रहिए.